Okay, so picture this. You're rushing to work, scrolling on your phone, and click, you land on a website and it looks like it was designed for a potato. Tiny text, buttons the size of ants, and a loading spinner that basically hypnotic spiral of doom. Sounds familiar? Well, if your site isn't mobile friendly, this is exactly what your Google Ads audience is experiencing. And guess what? They don't like it. They're not sticking around to figure it out. Today, we're fixing that. No magic wands, just smart optimization. Let's turn those rage clicks into conversions. Why mobile optimization isn't optional? First, let's talk about why this matters. Mobile isn't the future, it's the now. 60% of Google clicks and even more come from mobile nowadays, and 53% of users abandon sites that take longer than 3 seconds to load. Google straight up downgrades ads for sites that are not mobile friendly. What it means is that if your site isn't optimized, you're basically paying Google to send traffic to your competitors. Ouch. But here's the good news. Fixing this isn't a rocket science. It's more like building IKEA furniture. Just follow the instructions and you will survive. So let's talk about mobile optimization playbook. Step number 1, responsive design. No, your site can't just wing it. Responsive design is like that friend who can fit into any group photo. Your site should look just as good as on a flip phone, yes, there still exists, as it does the same way on a 4K monitor. How do you do this? You build themes within your content management system if you're using Shopify website, WordPress website, or just hire a developer and test it out. There is also a Google Mobile's friendly test tool that is free and takes just 5 seconds to check. And if it fails, time to troubleshoot and get to the bottom of it. And here's a pro tip. If your site looks like it's doing the Macarena on mobile, shifting elements everywhere, it's not responsive and you should fix it. Moving on to step number 2, the speed, because nobody likes waiting. Speed is the unsung hero of conversions. Think of site like a drive-thru. If the line is too slow, people will just leave. We should compress images, as this is the main issue related to site speed load. Images are heavy and you need to compress them in order to improve site load time. I know you want to use the fancy schmancy image to impress your clients and website visitors, but sometimes it's not worth the 10 seconds of loading time. You should use tools like squash.app for compressing your images. Lazy loading. Only load images or videos when users scroll to use them. Yes, it's cool as it sounds, and there are some plugins that can help you achieve that. If your website is custom built, you should simplify the code. If your site code looks like a toddler's crayon masterpiece, clean it up. Fire up Google Page Speed Insights, and it will tell you exactly what's dragging your website down. Spoiler, it's probably those unoptimized images. Moving on to step number 3. Thumb-friendly design. Yes, thumbs have feelings too. You should design for thumbs, not just mouse pointers. Tiny buttons and menus requiring Olympic-level thumb gymnastics, that's a bad idea. So you need a user experience interface, and there's must-have for that. Nobody wants a rage click button. You should use sticky menus. Keep key links like buy now glued to the screen and kill pop-ups that you don't really need. Google hates intrusive pop-ups. Save pop-ups for special occasions. Step 4. You should test like a mad scientist. Optimization isn't just set it and forget it game. You should test everything on your website, not just Google Ads. And here comes the A/B test to the rescue. You can try 2 versions of a page. Does a red button convert better than blue? Data doesn't lie, and you can test it out. Analytics. Track mobile bounce rates. If it's too high, then you should sound the alarms. You can use heat map tools like Hotjar to show where the users tap, scroll, and rage quit. Now let's talk about common mistakes and how to fix them. Okay, so mistake number 1, the desktop clone site. The fix: don't just shrink your desktop site to look on mobile. Mobile needs its own design and flow. Mistake number 2, forms that longer than Tolkien's novel. The fix is simple: autofill and make fewer fields as possible, and please don't ask for their shoe size. Mistake number 3, ignoring third-party scripts. The fix is to delay chatbots or analytics scripts until after the page loads. Mobile optimization isn't a one-time project, it's a habit. Audit your site today, keep testing, and watch your Google Ads return on investment climb faster than a cat avoiding bath time. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.